We do a little bit of everything here, starting with assembled cabinets, cabinet parts, closet parts. We are also producing office furniture, components, and then we get into other different specialty items such as medical products and parts. Quite a wide variety of things that we do here. What really excites me is it just seems like every day there's new opportunities and new products that we develop with our customers. Our first glance at it might be, what in the world is this? But in the end, we end up developing a great product for our customer. Back in the 80s, we started getting involved with buying our first CNCs, and all along we've just kept updating our equipment. At this point, starting from our STORETEQ, we're able to load CNCs quickly and accurately, labeling parts prior to even machining the parts, and with the help of return conveyors and so forth, we really have used automation to reduce labor and put out a better quality product. Every year, I would say we're buying probably another piece of equipment from Stiles, and we had used other companies in the past and just never really gotten the full-time support that we get from Stiles. And Stiles has really been able to show us the ins and outs of their equipment and continue to provide us with a lot of information on our industry, where it's heading, and helps make my job running a business easier. They just help us to get our company to the next level.